Hi everybody. So today I'm going to teach you how to measure your press-ons and your fingers. Don't mind my fingernails. Right now they are recovering because I have come to the conclusion I'm allergic to something and I have to figure out what. I think it is a glue. I've tried a new glue for the press-ons and it is not agreeing with my nails. It has made them brittle and so on and so forth. I've used other glue in the past and it worked perfectly fine and my nails grew, and this stuff not so much. So alright, so we're going to start with the press-on nails, and as you can see I already have mine all marked out what sizes fit my fingernails best, but today we're going to start with a size 0. Okay, and this flat edge right here is the tip of your nail. This rounded curve is the curve that goes up against your cuticles, just like that. My cuticles, of course, would be pushed back more, and you put it in there more. You should never press down to put your glue and your cuticles on. Never. Even when you're measuring, or, you know, looking to see if it fits, you can go like this to see if it fits, but if you're ordering offline you need a measurement. Yeah, don't push down, because when you put the glue on it's not going to hold properly. It's still going to pop off. You should always just put a little bit of pressure. Alright, and so what I do is I measure close to the cuticle area, and we're going to start with the right here on this line. Okay, and the thick line to thick line is 5. Okay, we're measuring with centimeters here. So this one, and you want to line it right up to the edge of it, right there, and make sure it's flush. You can usually just hold it like that and it'll be flush. So this one is 5, 10, 15, and then there's 3 more little lines, so it'll be 16, 17, 18. 18. So a size 0, and this one is an 18. And you will have different sizes from different companies. It depends, you know. The more professional ones, they're usually about the same sizes everywhere. So that's what you do for that. So that's 18 centimeters. And then for measuring your finger to find out actually what size is on your finger, you do the same thing, and I go like the widest, well, yeah, your side to side, and I do along the cuticles, just like I do for the other one. I'm going to start here, and don't pull tight. You want it just touching your fingernails. Let's go this way. Okay, so we're going to put it right there on the edge of that one, right where your nail starts, and right over. Mine, it says 5, 10, 15, 16, which would be this one, a 15 to a 16. And this one is what, the 18? So this one is my nail size. And that's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Yeah, it's simple. And then you can just go on to somebody's site, my site preferably, and order some press-on nails. That's it. Have a great day. Bye.